Welcome to second year high school biology team for the 2025-2026 school year. We're going to start by introducing our teachers on the biology team.
Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Batcha. I teach science because it's not just a subject, it's a way of thinking, a process of discovery that empowers us to question, explore, and understand the natural phenomena that shape our universe. I aim to instill critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a sense of wonder in my students, equipping them with the tools they need to become informed and responsible citizens.
I'm Mr. Callahan. I teach science. As it was said before, I would like my students to think critically and think about the living and non-living world, how they are connected, and how much humans are connected to all living things. I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Coulter. I teach science because it sparks joy. I love watching students learn and connect real-world problems with solutions that creates an environment for lifelong learners that will impact the future. I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hi, I'm Coach Fancher. I teach science because I think it's fun and I enjoy critical thinking and teaching about the world around me.
Hi, I'm Miss Huda. Hi, I'm Miss Huda. I teach science because I saw its impact in the medical field and fell in love with discovering how the world works. Now I get to share that wonder with my students every day. I'm excited for a new year.
Hi, I'm Dr. Johnston, and I teach science because I myself love to learn about the hows and whys behind the different scientific phenomenon all around us. Teaching allows me to express and share my passion for science while also fueling the curiosity of young minds. I'm looking forward to starting this year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Zombo, and I teach science for a simple reason. Life is amazing. You are biology, and so it's really wonderful to be able to come in and look at ourselves and understand that all living things have 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. But yet none of us are exactly the same. And it just intrigues me how carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and nitrogen can make something so varied as life. So I'm excited to learn with y'all each day and look forward to meeting you.
This year, some of the topics that you're going to be learning about in biology are listed here. We have cells, cell energy, genetics, evolution, classification, and biotechnology. These are also the subjects that you will be tested on at the very end of the school year with our milestone assessment. Supplies that you are going to need for our classes is a binder, pens or pencils, colored pencils or markers, glue stick, small scissors, highlighters, and notebook paper. And you'll be able to see the supply list again on our syllabus that we will pass out to you when we see you. A typical day in our biology classes, we will have an activator, and that would be just a quick warm-up to kind of get you ready for the content we're going to teach that day, or maybe a little review from the day before. We're going to engage you with a new topic, typically a phenomenon that encourages you to think. Then after that, we'll do a mini lesson where you will explore as a student to briefly investigate that phenomenon, and then the teacher will provide a brief explanation of what you are seeing and learning. Then we would switch to our elaborate portion of the class where students would work either with a partner or small group just to kind of work on that collaboration and learning together. And then obviously there's the evaluate portion of our class where there will be some type of assessment, whether it's, just answering a ticket out the door, whether it's a quiz, a test, just to see if you are making progress or if you have reached mastery. Important information to know, each class does have a Google Classroom and there will be so much information on those. And also we do digital learning days, and those will not just always be digital. Sometimes paper or pencil might be an option, but you would get that information also on our Google Classroom. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher via email. And we are looking for a super exciting year this year as you take on the new subject of biology.